Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do fades on Episode Interactive. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so. Let's get started. So it's very easy to do. So you know how I make a story examples, and there's like a little fade to the black. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. It's very simple. All you have to write is at transition fade out black. Then however many seconds you want, you could do 1, 2, 3, 1,500. I don't care what you do. I'm gonna do 3. And it does not have to be black. It could be whatever color you want. Whatever you want. I'm gonna do black. And then I'm going to have it enter int black night, and then after you're done writing the background, you want to write at transition fade in black 3, and now you're all done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this little tiny scene, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and now I'm all done, so let's go ahead and save that to make sure I made no mistakes and no errors. Yep, everything's all good to go, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.